Hey guys, so really quick video and quick comparison between the Adobe Acrobat Pro and Standard. Like, what are the things that you have to be aware of? So first thing first, core features, the PDF creation, the PDF editing, you are going to have in both. Now, you can add comments, combine files, fill and sign, and unique features that you're going to have in Adobe Acrobat Pro are advanced editing, scan documents using optical character recognition, enhanced security, redact sensitive information permanently, advanced comparison, compares two PDFs to highlight differences, also pre-flight tools, check for errors and compliance in PDFs, rich media support, that you can even add video or even PDF to it, like interactive elements to PDFs, video, and you can turn files into needs PDF, show what you need to nothing more, find text in your scans fast, perfect your PDF. So also you can integration with other Adobe tools, accessibility checks, and Mac and Windows support. So if you just want to have the standard PDF, then you're gonna have like great for basic PDFs like editing, converting, and securing documents. On the Pro version, essential for professionals dealing with complex PDF workflows, advanced editing, and compliance requirements. So that's pretty much it for both. I just want to make this quick video for you. And thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.